is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit.
Today, we take you to the inspirational journey of India's leading UPVC doors and windows brand, Encraft, a brand of the Delhi-based DCJ Group. Encraft is reaching stellar heights with its innovative product line, high focus on research and development, and great consumer-centric focus. Encraft offers an extensive range of UPVC doors and windows and has the largest number of UPVC fenestration solutions in the country. A brand started and envisioned by Rajiv Jain. Today, Encraft stands tall as one of India's best UPVC doors and windows brands. An environmentally friendly brand, Encraft delivers engineering precisions and craftsmanship, innovation and style, responsibility and teamwork as the core success mantras. A brand trusted and loved by its consumers, Encraft has evolved as a brand that truly inspires. Research by India's leading research and consulting firm WCRC and evaluated by the Malcolm McDonald Academy. Encraft is an inspirational Indian brand on the factors of brand trust, credibility, product innovation, and brand promise.
Encraft systems are number one in styling and benchmark in engineering precisions. All our systems are custom designed by considering the local static demand in mind as well as the consumer's needs also. Beat any design, any specification, Encraft has a solution of a style and elegance to meet any sort of expectation. Or you can say in a word, we have a solution for every situation. Our product range boasts a wide variety of casement doors and windows, sliding doors and windows, and combined doors and windows. And also one more thing, we don't offer only the white. We have the multiple color option as well to make the life of our consumers more colorful.
Encraft believes in empowering its people, a highly self-motivated and determined team led by the dynamic CEO, Avnish Singh Visain. Encraft believes in nurturing its people. Based on the core values of speed and teamwork, Encraft is today inspiring the industry with its constant product and promise delivery. Today, we converse with Avnish Singh Visain, the dynamic, enterprising, and a truly inspirational CEO of Encraft.
Avnish, it's a pleasure meeting you always. Let's start by this question. Talk a little bit about the DCJ Group and Encraft as a brand.
See, the DCJ Group, as the name states, is the DC Jain Group. DC Jain, our honorable founder chairman, who had started this group in 1961. He was a self-made man. He had started this group from scratch, and very proudly I can say that he has made an empire of more than 20 manufacturing units with different verticals like automobile, PVC pipe, CPVC pipe, water hand pump technology, drip irrigation, as well as the home appliances. If you see the Encraft, and now Mr. DC Jain is no more with us. He is blessing us from the heaven, and now his legacy is being followed by his two sons, Mr. Rajiv Jain and Mr. Nitin Jain. As far as Encraft is concerned, it was a brainchild of his elder son, Mr. Rajiv Jain, who was having a vision कि पापा से कुछ अलग हटके करना है. And that's how in 2006 he teamed up with the Halo System UK, one of the leading system provider of the UPVC since late 1970s, and that's how Encraft was born. And today, very proudly, I can say that with the help of the customer support and their patronage, within 1 decade, Encraft has become the most trusted choice of all our consumers for their UPVC fenestration needs.
I want to ask you this, that the industry that you are in, UPVC doors and windows, there are a lot of players who are there in this country right now who are doing pretty well. What is the USP of the brand and how do you differentiate yourself from all your competitors?
Very right question, because you see, As of now, I can also say that within, I think, from the past 1 decade or the last 12 years, there are a lot many people who were there in the UPVC industry. They will be there, they were there, they are there, and they will be there. But we have set our standard benchmark as a unique. If you talk the USP of a product, Craft Systems are number one in styling and benchmark of engineering precisions. All our products are specially designed by considering the Indian local static demand as well as the consumer needs in mind. Our product range boasts a wide variety of casement doors and windows, sliding doors and windows, and combined doors and windows. And also one more important thing, we don't offer only in the white, we have the multiple color option as well to make the life of our consumers colorful. And also we have the one of the largest and best performing fabrication as well as the sales and distribution network at Pan India to ensure the right product quality delivery at every doorstep of the client without any delay. And customer satisfaction is our topmost priority, right? And putting the customer first is ingrained in our DNA with a history of 50 plus years.
Okay, in this time of COVID, which has become a very crucial juncture for every company, for the economy, for the country, how do you really motivate your workforce? How do you train your workforce today to ensure better delivery to clients, to ensure better quality of products, and to keep the focus very high at this point? Because today is a very, very important situation in this COVID era.
See, this COVID, there are always, there are the two ways to see a glass, whether it's the half filled or half empty. What I see always is the half filled glass. So I'm a very optimistic person. And this COVID, no doubt, this global pandemic, which has been faced by the whole globe. And we had learned a lot of lesson also from this COVID. And let me tell you one thing, because I used to say always, whenever I used to address my team, my customers, or all my stakeholders, whether it's my employee, it's my supplier, or it's my customer, we had faced around. Still, we are in a phase of some partial lockdown, then open this. Yeah. I used to say that this is the lockdown, not the lockdown. This was simply a lockdown, not the lockdown. हम हैं. और एक बात जो कही जाती है ना कि कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी. And rightly you say, Abhimanyu, it has been said that necessity is the mother of invention. Who has thought that within 45 days India will become the second largest manufacturer of the COVID item? Then just we need to realign our strategy and we need to make the trust. During this COVID, what I realized, there is a one factor which is missing in the market, that is the trust. Trust between everywhere. Trust between the employee to employer, customer to supplier, supplier to customer. And during this COVID, what I am talking to my team and all my stakeholders, that we need to hold the hand of each other. We need to provide a platform for a win-win to everyone. And I'm very much sure together we will bounce back like anything. Even we are bouncing back, you see, if I talk especially for the craft, to be very honest, I'm very proudly I can say that with the help of my customer support and patronage, and no doubt with my one of the most performing team, this month we are going to cross all our milestones, irrespective of the COVID. Okay. But in this COVID, the first most important thing is that health and safety is paramount for us.
So tell me something, in this COVID, especially with the market becoming very sensitive, price points have fallen everywhere. How do you ensure trust in your consumers right now? Because that's, I think, is of the most paramount importance.
See, if you see as of now, rightly you said for the price, but as far as our UPVC industry is concerned, here basically the situation is the vice versa, right?
Yeah.
Because if you see our most of our prices are being derived by the polymers like the PVC resin. Post-COVID, the prices has been increased like anything. Yeah. But yes, with this our process innovation and everything, we are able to hold the prices with our customers, whatever we have agreed before COVID, and that's what is our main winning chance with the customer. And customers are also coming up front. See, we need to be very transparent with the consumers and customers, right? Yeah. And you trust me, once you sit across the table with any one of your consumer or customer, you are going to put your points in the right manner. Both the person, whether it's the consumer or we will be able to find out the way. एक कहावत है ना सर, जहाँ चाहे हमारा है. We need to find out the way.
चलो आपका tagline है the art is of precision, Encraft the art of precision. So what is this precision that we are talking about as art of precision?
See, yes, no doubt, art of precision is our tagline, and to ensure precision, we have a strong faith in technology and R&D activities. Yeah. With the help of our strong, dedicated professional, and craft systems are designed with engineering precision and a masterpiece of art. And also, our past 6 decades of the polymer Indian industry extrusion experience gives us an edge to be more precise, to ensure the extruded profile, quality, assurance, as well as the delivery. And also, you see, we have heavily invested in the latest tools and technology in all our segments, whether you talk the manufacturing, design, R&D, testing, and also we have heavily invested in the plant and machines which money can buy, like our extrusion machines, our lamination machine, and the window testing. Since you clubbed the two questions, you talked the innovation also. It's a very one of the most important factor.
I'm also talking one more thing which I think is very core in your business is R&D. How much of focus is on R&D as well?
Okay.
You just talked about buying expensive machines, of course. That's a part of it.
I'm coming to your point. See, this our industry doesn't respect the tradition. It only respects innovation. And basically, innovation is what? Innovation is seeing what everybody has seen and thinking what nobody has thought. And R&D is a key element. It's a very important function to boost the objective and achieve the goal of any business. Hence, Encraft team, we as Encraft always put our more focus to take the action towards the R&D activities. And also our strong dedicated R&D team, they put their heart and soul to offer the products, to offer the green innovative products which are becoming the more pioneer for the future generation. These are the two things, innovation and R&D, where we keep a lot of focus.
Are you still allied with Hello Systems?
See, as of now, now the Hello System company is no more. We were there in the 2000.
So all technological innovations, all technology is your
It's 100%
indigenously encrafted, I would say?
Yeah, 100%. We have the outside consultant also from the Europe who are helping us as per the time to time.
So what's your viewpoint on the Atmanirbhar Bharat? And what do you think are the challenges?
See, I think you had touched the one of the very hot topic, which is becoming a very hot discussion point as of now. Look, Abhimanyu, being as a responsible citizen of India, what I believe India has to be Atmanirbhar. But not at the verge of by compromising in the quality, and not at the verge of by lagging behind the global standard and global practices. Go local, think global, be local. Believe in Make in India. Believe in Made in India. Go for self-reliant and self-sufficient India. Put your buying power in all the product and services which are being made in India. And see, during this COVID and post-COVID, all the global buyers, including Indian buyers, now they are talking for a de-risking strategy. Means now they are changing their focus from a economical sourcing rather than focusing more on the supply security and the supply reliability. As a result, what they are planning to shift their supplier base from China. And here, being as a country, India, I can see a silver line. But again, you say, what is my viewpoint? My viewpoint for here, being as Encraft India, we are fully equipped and ready to take the advantage of the situation. But again, here, what is my view to make it more clear? At one side, it's opportunity, but at the other side, it's a responsibility as well as a challenge too. Why responsibility? Because we need to ensure the customer expectation in sort of the quality, cost and delivery. Why challenge? See, quality and delivery is not a challenge because it is already there in our DNA being as a craft. Cost is a challenge whenever you compare with the China because of the various multiple factors like the input material cost in China, the scale of production in China. Hence, at one side, Atmanirbhar Bharat, it's an opportunity. At another side, it's a responsibility as well as a challenge.
Okay, so I'll ask you just a little bit expanded version of this. You talked about Atmanirbhar Bharat, you talked about Make in India, and it's all great, Make in India, with also this COVID situation and nearly the world putting a lot of restrictions on China. Do you think India has the requisite infrastructure support, power support, supply chain management, manpower support to give to if we have to invite trade from across the world? Do you think India has the power?
You have already touched all the point like the infrastructure, manpower, power, supply chain. If you talk one to one, right, infrastructure, no doubt, development needs to be done, and it's already, if you see from the after this government change from the 2014 to till date, Already the infrastructure, there's a lot of development has done and it's already been done, right? Then for the infrastructure part, yes, we need to work hard. But as far as the manpower is concerned, I think there is no comparison from China to India. If you talk the IQ level, the hard work and everything, right? And the most important thing is that why the globe is attracting towards the China, because see, India is a democratic country, right? And here the supply security and supply reliability is much higher than the China, correct? And as I rightly said nobody has thought that within 45 days India will be the second largest manufacturer of COVID item.
Yeah, that's the other
Necessity
point.
is the mother of invention. And we Indians are always known to do the unbelievable things.
Yeah.
Sir, एक बार जब आएगा ना investors, when they will come, and as of now most of the people, why they are looking for the India, because India has that potential, and I'm very thankful with our existing government. They are also working in that directions, because this is a very golden opportunity which we need to grab. If you talk, we as a DCJ group, as an Encraf, even we are working in the same directions. Somehow, at some places, like apart from Encraf, my other businesses are there where we need to invest for the infrastructure to bring the new product range, which even all my B2B customers, they are providing a chance to us to be a part of their localization journey. And already we are extending our support to them. We are coming in front to take the advantage.
Do you think the Indian government is supporting MSMEs, SMEs, and big companies as well with right policies, right support at this moment, especially when the situation is so fragile? Because we need to fight it out. We are saying India fights COVID. How are we fighting COVID, and how do you, as a company, see this growth happening right now? It's a difficult bounce back job right now.
See, if you talk as of now, I think none of the industries there who can say that government of India is not supporting, right?
You think they have been very supportive?
They are very supportive during this COVID, because basically the way how they have come up with a lot of the incentive package, and even now that is in a very transparent manner, even most of the company has already taken the advantage too. So one thing is very much clear, they need to protect the industrialist and they are protecting.
How?
हमसे ज़्यादा हमारी चिंता उनको है.
बिल्कुल मैं मानता हूँ, but what do you feel, has the government's policies helped Encraft as a company in this times?
Yeah. Without their support, how can we grow? That's why you see this month we are saying that we are going to cross all the milestones.
Superb. So you are pretty pro-government. You are very optimistic that India will fight back this challenge and India will come to the top of the world. Probably.
I'm 200% confident.
So how do we make? So tell me something. How do we make India actually the manufacturing hub? Shift the focus from China to India. We need this world attention right now. How do we make us the because you're a manufacturing company? How do you think India will become a manufacturing hub soon? This post-COVID era, the focus of the world shift from China actually to India.
Already I have answered your question, this question, I think this is my prior question, where I said that all the global buyers, including Indian buyers, now they are talking the de-risking strategies.
Yeah.
They had already made a plan, right? Let's not focus only on the economical sources, rather than we have to be more focused on supply security and supply reliability. Then this will not happen in a one day, this will happen in a phase manner, right? Maybe at the first stage, they will sit for the sum of the very critical 40% of their bill of material item, 20%, 30%, and slowly we will come to that level, because they will also try to see us, how we are going to react and how we are going to deliver to that expectation. That's why what I said, at one side it's opportunity, at another side it's a responsibility as well as a challenge too. And always we Indians are known to do the unbelievable things.
So saying that, come back to Encraft once again, because you have been chosen as an inspirational brand. Just talk a little bit about future plans of Encraft as a brand. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
See, as of now, being as an Encraft company, we are investing for developing the other product line, which can be launched to the other market. And also, we strongly believe that don't find the customer for your products, rather find the products for your customer. And diversification is a protection against ignorance. Hence, we are working very hard to bring the new product, diversified product line, which market is going to witness very soon.
What are the challenges in this industry? Marketing challenges?
See, the challenges as of now, the UPVC industry is facing the challenge, the lack of awareness in the people, the lack of awareness about the benefit of UPVC, and also because of that, India is a very sensitive market. And what has happened, a lot of the low quality manufacturing and the Chinese company has ventured into the market, Indian UPVC market, and what they do, always they talk for the little bit higher profit and compromise on the quality. Being as a leader of the industry, what we do, we are creating a lot of awareness in the society to the people, making them aware about the advantage of the UPVC, and that's how this industry is facing a challenge because of the awareness.
Okay. What are the best parts about this industry?
See, the best part about this industry, being as a product, is a very fantastic product. It's a green product. See,
There's a lot of market, I believe, because one of the disadvantages that you said is lack of awareness. That also means that you can capitalize on that and make this market a huge domain for yourself, right?
that is why you see, just you are that during this pandemic when everybody is facing a lot of challenges, how we are growing.
That's exactly
What
the
I
point.
believe, if you want to swim along with the tide, right, then nothing to do. Just relax in your cabin, growth will come. But when you want to swim against the tide, then some extra धूप में निकलना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I
And that's what we
agree.
are doing.
I agree.
There is a lot of opportunity, no doubt, for this industry, right? And you see, as of now, the growth of the UPVC, if you see, it's somewhere around means 10 to 11% with the CAGR, it's growing. But very soon we can see that in the coming 5 years, it may be grow in the just double-digit growth.
So you have been chosen as an inspirational brand. How do you plan to inspire your consumers, inspire your employees, inspire your entire stakeholder community?
See, we at Incraft, what we believe, what we get after achieving our goal is not as important as what we become after achieving our goals. Because limitation is only in our imagination. Once we come out from this limitation, then the sky is the limit for us. See, what I believe, nobody can copy our passion. Nobody can copy our gene. Until the time, if somebody will copy, then it will be the next level. Because what I believe, follower is always follower only.
True.
And here, we are very thankful to all our customers for their support and patronage, who always keep for their continuous motivation and inspiring us to thrive for an extra mile. And the one thing which keeps me challenging always are my dreams.
Great.
Because I always believe dreams of the future is always better than the history of the past.
Superb. So, your last question, your suggestion to any youngster who wants to make a mark in this industry, or maybe look at Incraft as his career, what do you suggest to young leaders of tomorrow?
My suggestion to the leader is that firstly he should be more focused on the quality. And I always used to see that the speed, trust, transparency, and heart-to-heart relationship is our key principles. And if he will follow all this, the sky is the limit for him.
Beautiful talking to you. Your answers were absolutely precise and very up to the point. You are an inspirational leader yourself. Lots to look forward to, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you, Anu. Thanks a lot. Stay safe, stay connected.
You too.
Namaste.
Namaste.